Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Adil Shahid. I hope you all are fine. Live your life happily. Today we are talking about stress. What is stress? The irrational fear that we cannot define it easily and that can irritate our life easily, but day by day or step by step, and we are going to down and down. This is the definition of stress according to mine. So here we are discussed that what kind of possibilities that we can choose to solve it, what kind of those things that if we choose, then we can easily dissolve our stress with our of our daily routine. Let's discuss the first step that you need to take if you want to overcome to your stress. First step here is that avoid the nicotine, the drinking, whatever the alcohol or the other drinkings that are harmful for you. Let us say here some of nicotine, some are caffeine, some are alcohol. These all of the drinks or these all of the things, if we are drink it, if we are take it, that these all things are not allowed to us according to a Muslim. Alcohol is not for us if you are a Muslim. So if you take all of these things in just regularly or just in a little amount, these all things just make you for a short time out of your stress, but at the very next time it makes more indulged to you towards the stress. But if you are try to avoid these things and just stay away from these kind of things, these kind of nicotine, alcohol and caffeine things, then it will definitely help you to reduce or just to avoid you from the upper level of stress towards the lower level of your stress. And if you are take it in too much in amount, then it will also ruin your health, also ruin your relationships, maybe also ruin your life, because according to science, for a long term all of these things are not too much helpful, are not too much beneficial for human health, and it will cause many diseases, or it also cause the great damage of the liver of a human body. And if you are take all of any one of these from these things, then it will definitely make you more stressful and also damage your health. Okay, the first point here, let I discuss with you that do not take nicotine, either alcohol or caffeine. Okay, the second point here, what I show you or what I tell you is that try the relaxation technique. Try the relaxation technique. What is the relaxation technique? It may be is a great affirmative words or a great affirmative sentences that you need to repeatedly while several days for with you. Okay, you need these words, some of the words that you are very powerful, that you are live a calm life, that you are sincere with your life, you are not indulged everywhere at any time into a stress. These are the success mantras or a stress overcoming stress mantras that you need to repeat all the day or at the night, or mostly at before you going to bed, or just before you going to sleep, and just after waking up from your bed. These are some words, these are some sentences or positive affirmative sentences that you need to repeat on a daily basis towards you. Okay, these are the possible sentences that makes your stress level down. This is also a practice technique. It may be not helpful for you if you are just repeating it for 1 or 2 or 3 days, but you need to make it in your subconscious mind. And remember that the subconscious mind, everything that if you stored into your subconscious mind is only if you repeated it for several days, for almost 21 days too, and later on go on it may be 33 days or maybe 40 days until to some of psychology says that it may be your subconscious mind limited, or anything that stores into your subconscious mind is started from 21 days to 65 days. Around about in between of these days, the anything that you wanna say to you by several days, among 21 to 65 days, it is stored into your subconscious mind. And if you told every day to yourself that you are very positive person, you are very positive, affirmative and visualized and a visionary person, you are not indulged into a stress every time of your life, you are very sincere towards your life, you are very sincere toward your family, partner or your child or your house or your society or your school, college life, whatever you are doing. If you are sincere, if you are positive, if you want to become a positive, then you need to repeat these affirmatives, because it says that fake it until you make it, and these are the words make you inwardly strong, and it will help you if you are fakingly just saying to you and these, we can say, if these things are not a part of your life, but if several days you repeated these kind of the words, then it will help you to reduce your level of stress, and it will store into your subconscious mind. That will repeatedly, if you repeatedly again and again these all of the words, and in the future or in this after 20 days and in between 65 days, it will become a part of your life. Okay, and you are never indulged in a stress level. So the next technique here, let me discuss with you, is to try some physical activities. Try some physical activities, because here what are we doing? When we are in stress, our body releases some of hormones that are maybe adrenaline or cortisol. Both of these hormones are released when we are in a stress level. But if you are doing something activity with your body, if you are doing some exercise, if you are doing some physical activities of work, then it will indulge you both of those hormones that cause you that suffer you from your towards stress. Okay, the adrenaline and the cortisol are the both hormones that make you more stressful. But if you make some activities, make some physical activities, they may be if you are going to gym, if you are going to exercise, if you are going to some steps of running and then it will help you, or some sorts of push-ups, pull-ups, and it will help you to reduce your level of stress. Because if the adrenaline and cortisol are both reduced, then it will definitely your stress level is also reduced. So try to make possible some activities, some physical activities that will help you in both of your healthy life and also help to reduce of your stress level. Okay, make it possible that you will make it of your habit, and you are going towards for 30 minutes or for 1 hour of a day, for also for your level of to reduce your level of stress, and also for your physical activities, for your long-term health issues. Okay, it will help you for your to maintain your health of your body, and also helpful to reduce your level of stress. Okay, third technique what I should tell to you is that try some physical activities. Okay, the next thing let me show you is that take control. What is take control? Take control is that your life is in your hand. Try to your life in your hands. Okay, try to handle your life by your own, not by the other things, not by your society, not by your peoples, not by your boss, not by your family. Try to take control of your life to by your own, because you are your boss, because nobody knows to you anyone, anything, any other person into your life. And if you control your life by your own, then it will definitely reduce a sort of level of your stress. Try to find out what kind of possibilities that you need to explore. This may be what, why, who, where and how. Okay, these five W that will help you to sort out this question and to take control of your life, and try to as much as possible to take control of your life by your own possibilities, by your own choices. And if you are not take control of your life, then someone else take control to over to your life, and some other one are just easily handle your life by their own choices. They may be he's your boss, he may be your boss, he may be your society, that's maybe your school, college, or your daily routine lives. But if you are take control of your life by your own daily by your own choices, then it will definitely help you to reduce your level of stress. The next thing let me tell you is that try to say no. Try to say no. This is a very helpful tip for you. Many times in our life we are stressful because we cannot say no to someone others who need help from us. Many people in our life are come and just also help or they need our help into their own work. And if we are make happy everyone just giving our own time to them, then we are not helpful, then we are also indulged in a stressful life, because our life is our life, because time is limited for everyone. And if you are wasted it for helping into towards the others, or for indulging into the matters of other people's, and you are not trying to saying no to any person into anybody of your life, and if anyone any kind of the person asking you to help him and you are easily available for him, then it's sorry to say you that you will never happy into your life. Try to make your own rules, try to make your daily routine lives, try to make your own possibility, your own priorities, and make your life possibly by your own choices. That do not turn your life by the other people's as they wanna make to do from you. Okay, try to say no, because many people are just saying they do not say no because they just feel that it may be ruin the relationship, it may be make me more anxiety or make me more stressful, because if I think that I am easily available for this person, but why I am not helping him, and this will make me more stressful. Or maybe the other person are just a ruined relationship with me, or maybe the other person are refused to me, or just anger to me, and if I not working, if I am not available for him. But try to understand, if you are too much available for others, then you will lose your own respect. Okay, do not too much available for anyone, anywhere, and any kind of person in your life. Okay, make your own rules, and some techniques that you will adopt to trying to say no, that you will say that I would love to help you, but this time I will do this work. Or you can say that, I really love that you need my help, but at this time I will do this work, or I will go with my mom, or I will go with my brother, with my sister, or I wanna complete this assignment, this presentation topic, because tomorrow is my presentation day, tomorrow is my test day, tomorrow is my whatever you wanna present. Try to some these techniques, or try to some these words that will not ruin your relationship, and also make your own rules. Okay, next one here, what I show you, or the next tip what I wanna share with you is that take rest if you are not more sleep. Okay, it's mean that try to more sleep. Sometimes in our life, because of more stressful life, we are not sleeping enough as we wanna need for our health, because for your health, sleeping is necessary for your health. It's a necessary part. Almost 6 to 8 hours of among 24 hours is necessary for your life, for your health, to being asleep. If you are do not give this time to your body for a sleep, or for a rest, then it will help you, then it will indulge you into a more stressful life. And sometimes in our life, because of too much stress, we cannot too much sleep because of anxiety, because of stress, because of these such of cortisol or these kind of adrenaline hormones. And if you are adopt some of things into your daily routine life, then it will help you to sleeping more consciously and more taking rest into your life. Try to read some kind of sorts, some kind of books, some kind of novels, or some kind of helping materials that will help you into your professional life, and it will help you to try to sleeping more with a relaxation mind. Okay, it will help you to sleeping, that you are sleeping with your relaxation mind. Okay, and some kind of sorts that you can also adopt, that work hard as hard as possible, and this will make you more your body as you feel like broken of your body, and you feel more just that you have no more ability to do anything, any work of any kind of work, and this will also help you to getting more enough of sleep for your health. Okay, try to adopt some of these kind of sorts, because sleeping is a necessary part of your life. Among 6 to 8 hours is a necessary part of your life. If you are not sleeping too much, if you are not because oversleeping is also bad for health, but lower sleeping is also bad for your health. So adopt some moderate level of sleeping, some moderate time of sleeping from 6 to 8 hours, and it will help you to reduce your level of stress, and try to make definite time for your body, that try to make only a single time at what kind of time you are going to bed, and at what kind of time you are going out of your bed. Okay, try to if you are going to towards your bed for sleeping at 10, then do not then make a stick on this plan, and always going and always try to follow this step, that if you are just decide that once if you are going to 10 at o'clock at PM you are going to your for sleeping, then daily in your then you need to add this step into your daily routine of your life, and always make a possible time and the same time for every day of sleeping, and this will help you to make more calm of your body, make more calm of your mind, and make more sincere and more relaxing of your mind. Okay, and the last one here is that talk to someone. What is mean by talk to someone? Because if we are talking to our neighbors, friends, family, or any professionalist or any psychologist, and we are just showing them or just telling them to our problems, it will also help us to reduce our level of stress, because if we share our problems with others, then it will definitely help us from then it will definitely help us to reducing our level of stress. And if you are sharing your problems, sharing your time, sharing your stress level, sharing your stress talking with other person, with your own sincere friends, family member, or any kind of psychologist, then he will definitely help you to reduce your level of stress, and he will gently understand your problems of your life. Because no matter there if you are no friend, but if you are share anybody your problems towards to anyone, then it will definitely help you to reduce your level of stress. Because the difficult thing in any person in the life of any person is to talking with strangers. But here let me show you that to talking with strangers, you need to talking with strangers until it become your second nature. Okay, you must need adopt this kind of technique. Okay, it will help you to reduce your level of stress. Okay, I think these all kind of techniques are helpful for your